How to use your gift card on hotels.com. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can use your gift card on the hotels.com app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to use the gift card on hotels.com, all you have to do is first of all open the hotels.com application. Once you've done so, you want to just make sure to select any of the place that you would like to book first of all. So just select a number of rooms and then just select your best accommodations, do all the necessary steps, and let me also just go ahead and do that. So let the best accommodations to load up first of all, and once it has been loaded up, just go ahead and select a specific one over here. And once you find the specific ones, you can just tap on the select a room button, which is from the bottom of the screen. Select the number of rooms that you'd like and then just tap the reserve button over here. Once you tap on the reserve option over here, what you have to do is, in order to use a gift card, you have to use them during the checkout process, which means during the payment process. So you can choose to pay with your card or your PayPal, but since we're learning to use our gift card, we have to select the option called gift card over here. Once you tap on gift card, all we need to do is simply make sure to enter the gift card number and pay with our gift card or use a credit or debit card. Enter your respective gift card number, tap on the gift pin code option, make sure to also enter the code, make sure that they're correct, check the balance. Depending upon the value of the gift card, if it is enough to book this room, it will be successfully booked, or if not, it will be applied to the balance, and then you can simply add other payment methods to continue the booking process. But just to give you a rough idea, this is it on how you can use your gift card on hotels.com. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.